So your HP printer has stopped printing on your Mac and you don't know how to fix it. Yeah, that's definitely those tech problems that drives you crazy when you need something printed right now. And here's the good news. This is actually a really common issue and it's almost always fixable with just a few simple steps. Most of the time, it's either the printer reset that's needed or some print jobs stuck in the queue. In this video, I'm going to show you two easy methods to get your HP printer printing again on your Mac. One of these should definitely solve your problem. Or if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Manual HP printer reset. While your printer is still on, unplug the power cord from the rear of the printer, just grab it and pull it out. Now, disconnect the other end of the cord from the wall outlet as well. Your printer should now have no power at all. Wait for 60 seconds. This gives your printer fully discharged and reset. After the 60 seconds are up, quickly reconnect your printer to the power source by plugging it back in and it will start the reset automatically. If the problem still persists after the reset, don't worry, we've got more methods to try. Sometimes there are print jobs stuck in there and they're preventing new ones from printing. Method 2. Cancel all print jobs. Open Spotlight Search on your Mac. That's the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the screen. Type printers and scanners and open it. From the list of printers that appears, find and select your HP printer. Once you've selected your HP printer, look for an option called Printer Queue and click on it. This will show you all the print jobs that are currently waiting to print. In that queue, look for the specific print job you wish to remove. Click the Cancel button, usually shown as an X icon, right next to it. This will remove that stuck job from the queue. If there are multiple jobs stuck, repeat this process for each one until the queue is completely empty. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.